A group of ministers meeting on Tuesday reviewed preparedness and actions for COVID-19 management in India as the number of cases crossed the 46,000 mark. This came a day after the country entered the third phase of a nationwide lockdown with some relaxations.
As India battles a sudden surge in coronavirus cases, a group of ministers on Tuesday held a detailed review of the situation arising out of the outbreak in the country. The 14th high-level meeting chaired by India's Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan discussed the current status, preparedness and actions for management of coronavirus. India's COVID-19 count saw the biggest spike on Tuesday as the country recorded 3,900 fresh cases in the last 24 hours, taking the tally to 46,433, with at least 1,568 deaths reported so far. This came a day after the country entered the third phase of a nationwide lockdown until May 17th, with some considerable relaxations depending on containment zones. Health Ministry officials said the recovery rate has risen to 27.41%. However, the spike in cases continues to be a matter of concern.
पिछले 24 घंटे में हमने कंफर्म केसेस और डेथ्स की संख्या में अब तक का हाईएस्ट इंक्रीज नोट किया है। हम एक इन्फेक्शियस डिजीज से डील कर रहे हैं, इसलिए टाइमली रिपोर्टिंग ऑफ केसेस एंड देयर मैनेजमेंट इज वेरी क्रूशियल।
Meanwhile, Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Monday participated in a virtual summit of the Non-Aligned Movement or NAM over the global coronavirus situation. In his intervention, PM Modi highlighted India's efforts to fight the pandemic, as well as sending medical supplies to 123 countries, out of which 59 are member countries of NAM.